just want to thank the young jackers for the opportunity to make some more content. DIY content. Let's see how this go, y'all. Hey y'all, what's up? Cherry Jones, full thought of the shop. This is what we got going on. Somebody tried to steal my car and bust the window out. Trying to go through the sunroof. I guess so they wouldn't turn off the alarm or whatever. Must have stupid. Got my glass over there. Ordered it off of eBay. It came fast. I ordered it Friday. It happened Friday. What's today? Wednesday? It came fast. But, man, I was stressed out. But it looked pretty easy. Like 3 bolts. 3 bolts on each side. T25s. Pretty straightforward. So, we got to see what it do, y'all. Oh, let me show y'all this. I put the cardboard under there, but I put some of this blue tape on top of the glass just to hold the glass in place. I put the blue tape on the car, then put this Gorilla Tape all the way across on top of the cardboard. But this right here, this was like some Gorilla Weather Strip. It's like waterproof. That stuff on there was real sticky. This worked pretty good. It rained on it. Didn't leak. So I might as well pull this off. Hey, how are you? So it looked real easy, y'all. I was stressed out. The dealer wanted like $1,000 for the glass, and it's another piece. Man, it was like almost $3,000 just for something. Put the metal and everything. I'm like, I don't need all that. I don't think. You know, they're gonna try to sell you the whole assembly. We just need glass. See, the blue tape ain't gonna leave no marks. This painter's tape. But if you put that Gorilla Tape on your paint, that's another one. So we should be good. But this, you see this mark right here? That's the primer they tried to use. They tried to get me. You can see what's a bend right here. Yeah. Okay, so I got the sunroof open. So we gotta pull these back. It's like some rails right here and up there. Real easy. The RT25s. 1, 2, 3. Yep. Easy peasy. Yep, look like it's just that easy, y'all. Oh, they real little bitty boats, y'all. They come right out. Super fast. Boats gotta adjust it, huh? They just drop down. I need y'all to see exactly where it's at right here. Right above them holes. I think we should mark it, y'all. Okay. Made a mark right there where it's flush. With a nice old screwdriver. I got one right there too. You must take this bad boy out. What's the glass though? What the? You hurry up before it start bleeding bad, y'all. Okay. What are you on this side? Oh. Okay. Now we got it all nice and vacuumed out. Let's try it again. Long side of the fin, go on the back. More spaced out on the back. see if we can't hit the marks. I'm gonna put the other couple in, then we're gonna adjust it. Alright, now I'm gonna close it. Look, it's still in the glass. Whew. Gotta get that glass out, y'all, but that's pretty much it, y'all. Whew. Back like that. Like, comment, subscribe, y'all. If y'all help y'all say, man. Don't give me that subscribe, that like, man. It help out a lot, y'all. Appreciate y'all for watching.